to say, then take it to the grave. I know we cannot date, but you shutting down the place and do it every day, and do not really play.
Alright y'all, what is good everybody on YouTube? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Glad to see y'all in the land of the living. Look, we got some shoes to pick up today and we got a few errands we gotta run. Got some things we gonna do, so we gonna take y'all along with us. Hair a little crazy right now, but that's alright. Gonna get it done here soon. We about to pick up these Jordan 9s. What they call them? Chili Reds? Chill Reds? Something like that. It's an all red Jordan 9. I feel like these should have been an easy cop for some of y'all, but if y'all didn't cop, let us know in the comment section below. But we got places to be, y'all, so we're gonna take out with us. So let's go ahead and head out and then get on the road. So let's get it. Y'all, so we back in the car, package secured from Foot Locker. You know, they always been blessing me since I done racked my points up. I've been trying to tell y'all better get on and start building these points, man. Y'all better start buying some socks, some all-white Air Force Ones, because you know your parents probably beat. Hey, that's how I be hitting in store. That's all I can really say. But let's take a look at the shoes real quick. All right, so right here you got the Air Jordan box, regular, basic. Nothing too crazy, even though it is all red shoes, so I mean the jump man does match it. 11.5. You got the chill red / black. Now let's take a look. Toss that in the back and let's see how bright these bad boys are. And that right, ooh, these are nice. I also hit on these on the sneakers app, so y'all let me know how y'all feel about these, man. This is an all red shoe. It's gonna be a pretty hard shoe to get away with a lot of fits. I mean, unless you wear it with all black or all red. But y'all let me know, man. How was y'all feeling about this release? That patent leather is low key nice. With and it's like a glossy feeling on the midsole, red Jumpman. I don't know why. I saw like a picture where like the bottoms was like red too, but this is an all black bottom. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The Chili Reds. We had a few friends invite us out to a cookout, so we gonna stop by. Hey y'all, what's good? See what's going on, you know what I'm saying? Chill for a little bit, and then we got some other errands we gotta make you know, make a few more stops, and then we gonna wrap up this video up whenever we get to the house. And then yeah, that's it y'all. So I'm gonna see y'all at this cookout, and then yeah, let's go.
Someone's teacher. I hate this story. I teach 8th grade math.
Don't tell everybody, damn.
Teach 8th grade math.
Don't put me.
Hey, you ready? Cheers up. Shout out to your boy, you know, the 612. Let's go.
Alright y'all, so we leaving the spot. About to head back to the crib, take a look at these shoes, and I'm gonna let y'all enjoy y'all day. So we gonna wrap this thing up. See y'all when we get there, so let's go. Alright y'all, so we are back at the apartment and we gonna take one last look at these bad boys. So you see the Foot Locker bag, the Jumpman logo, that's gonna be the front of the box. Tag, size 11.5. Take a better look at these things. But yeah, Chili Reds, as you can see there, the mesh, it has mesh instead of like leather that you'll normally see on most Jordan 9s. Patent leather on the side, wrapping around the whole entire shoe, 23 on the back. But y'all let me know in the comment section how y'all feel about these, man. Like I said, it's gonna be pretty hard to pull off this type of shoe. So y'all let us know if y'all was able to hit today, if this is something that you're looking to still get. I would still be on the lookout for them, because I'm pretty sure JD Sports didn't drop their men's sizes today. Pretty sure they dropped all the grade school sizes. I didn't bother getting a grade school size because Naveen didn't really care about these. But you know, it's all good. But yeah, I really want to know if y'all messing with these. Do y'all like Jordan 9s? I feel like it's only like a few colorways that you can really get away with when it comes to the Jordan 9. You know, you gotta have the classics, you gotta have the white on red. You saw I had on the University Blues today. See, I had on the University Blues today. But like normally, this is how it's gonna normally be. Leather, just, you know, you get this shiny paint material on the sides. And then the back 23, and it kinda has like a little sparkle effect on there. Like if it's a color blocking like this, white, red, or like this, I feel like it's a go. But like outside of that, or like all black with the red, but all red, I feel like it's a tough shoe to wear. I feel like over time it'll be an easier shoe to get, because at the end of the day, shoes are meant to be worn, and if people don't feel like they can wear or make fits with these, they're not gonna wear them. So y'all let me know in the comment section. Tomorrow's day is Mother's Day, so if y'all watching this and you a mother, happy Mother's Day. I already got arrangements set up with my mom. Naveen got some stuff set up with her mom already, so we already got that covered, taken care of. Outside of that, hopefully y'all like the vlog style of like these pickup vlogs, because I try to, Saturdays is the days that we typically go out and when shoes normally release, so we end up doing something that day. So I try to sprinkle in a little something so we not just talking about shoes, you know, get into some daily day vlog action, you know, something entertaining. But I mean, outside of that, y'all, it's your boy Moody. We got the chili reds. And outside of that, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Got the Concepts Air Max 1 video that just dropped. Maybe on the same day this dropped, so you wanna go ahead and check that out. I'll link some type of links or some type of pictures here so you can go and check that out. And we got more videos coming soon. Oh, almost forgot. I hit on the Air Max 1 tree lines today. It's kind of like a Air Max 1 like in a skunk colorway kind of. Hit on those in the Naveen's size. She said she thought they were cute, so I went for her size. Yeah, so I hit on these today. If y'all want a review of that, y'all let me know in the comment section. As soon as these bad boys come in, we'll get that review going. Got other videos coming in. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Every like this video gets, just know it means that I need to get my hair done. It's cool. I'm gonna get it done here soon. Real soon. Outside of that, it's your boy Moody. Got some other stuff to take care of. I'm gonna check y'all out in the next video, so peace.